All right, drummers, you're going to record yourself doing a couple things on this video. It's important, though, that you practice this before you perform it for the camera. We're going to practice some buzz rolls, but we're going to do them separately. More of this. Every time you practice buzz rolls, this should be the way that you warm them up until you become a professional and someone's paying you money, and then you can make your own decisions. Speed it up. Okay, practice that. Okay, don't record it, practice that. Nextly, this is what you're going to record. You're going to record a moderately open buzz roll. So this is going to be alternating. And I want you to do that motion for 30 seconds. The reason why 30 seconds is I want you to think about your hands. And as you're playing, I want you to think about making the feel more open and practicing where you're going to be squeezing from. So think about your fingers, think about the sound you're getting. Spend 30 seconds doing this. This is a relatively open buzz roll. About this speed too. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. When you're finished with your 30 seconds, great. One more thing before you're done with this. I want you to do the same concept but with a fast and tight roll. So instead of being open, we're going to play tight. So squeezing a little bit more from the fingers. This is more of a chop builder. It's a way for us to build our hand strength. Your hands will get tired. Set a timer for 30 seconds. Make sure you do that for 30 seconds straight. As you're playing, think about your fingers. Think about being loose, but at the same time, firm enough to get the sound that you want. Here it is. You will be playing faster, but you'll also be squeezing more. I can feel quite a bit of tension on these fingers back here as I'm playing. That may be different for you, the way that you've developed your skill, but for me, I'm feeling that. Tight. You can check them by separating. 30 seconds straight without stopping. So remember, practice first, then record open buzz roll for 30 seconds straight without stopping, thinking about your fingers, and then fast, tight buzz roll for 30 seconds, thinking about your fingers and trying to stay relaxed as you keep that bzzz sound going. I look forward to hearing you. If this helped, leave a comment below. Let me know that it helped you, or let me know what you need help with. Have a great day.